And today, right, a lot of you on the channel have been asking me for quite a while why I don't fly with goggles on. Truth be told, I do fly with goggles on, and I've been trying to over the past couple of weeks. Now, the reason I don't on video, until I got these Crazeponies, is because I wear glasses. When I put the FPV goggles on, I find after a couple of minutes of use my eyes really start to hurt. I'm squinting inside the goggles. That's not good. So over the past couple of weeks, what I've been doing is I've been lowering the brightness of the goggles and slowly increasing it over time. I've been wearing them and flying them. I've been making these videos, little excerpts available on Instagram, available on my Facebook page as well, just so that you can see that progress is being made and that things like this, you know, me wearing goggles are going to come to the channel. So today what I'm going to do is, because there have been frequent requests, I'm going to today just make a pure FPV flying video. I'm going to take up the E010S, which is what I've been using to practice on, and I'm going to just rip this around the place and have a little look and see exactly if my skills have increased. Now, over time, I am going to be getting another pair of goggles as well. I'm going to be going for a pair of Fat Sharks probably, because I think they are, for what I want, I think they are probably the best at the moment. I'll have to double check with that. If you know of any goggles which aren't Fat Shark, let me know. And yeah, so just to say that I've acknowledged what you guys have been asking, and yeah, this is exactly this. We are going to take her out. There's going to be more of this, but I had to get into a stage where I could actually look through the goggles and not hurt myself. So with that, folks, let's take her up.